All right, so we want to solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So we have the equation x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. And we know that the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. And from our equation, we can just label the a, b, and c terms. And so that means that a is equal to 1 because there's an understood 1 in front of x squared, b is equal to negative 7, and c is equal to 10. So all we have to do is just plug in our numbers and solve for x. So that means that x is equal to negative, and then b is negative 7, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so negative 7 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 10. And then that's all going to be over 2 times a, and a is 1. So now we have x equals negative times a negative 7 is just positive 7, plus or minus the square root of negative 7 squared is positive 49, minus 4 times 1 times 10 is 40, and then that's all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So we have x equals 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 minus 40, which is 9, all divided by 2. And then taking that a step further, we have x equals 7 plus or minus the square root of 9 is 3, and then that's all divided by 2. So at this point, we can go ahead and break this up into two parts. So we have x equals 7 plus 3 divided by 2, and we have x equals 7 minus 3 divided by 2. So up top, 7 plus 3 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. And on bottom, we have 7 minus 3 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that means that our answers, our solutions, would be x equals 5 and x equals 2. Those would both be solutions to our quadratic equation. And that's how you use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation.